this thing, Mob 7. And I'm like super bright.
While we seeing this motherfucker, you know what it is, Mr. Hell Real, Mr. Get Money, goddamn it, CCE, goddamn it,
Mob 7. I'ma start it off from the tip off.
Top.
We space ballin'. Time for the kickoff. These niggas talking shit and they talking loud. So guess I'll shoot 100 rounds. They getting gunned down. These niggas got me fucked up. I ain't getting high. So I'm about to take this shit back to 2005. When I was robbing, I was trapping, I was killing, I was getting all the money. I ain't never been stealing. But I've been down for grinding, been for leg hitting. If a nigga talking shit and getting money, I can get it. You can get the business. We cashing out. All these niggas talking strong, so you know I'm tapping out. I'm tapping niggas, hitting niggas, uppercuts. What the fuck these niggas want? Cause I'm fucking niggas up. If you niggas talking shit, then go and get your homies. Cause you can meet the heaven, Hell Real. That's my homie. Niggas know what the business is. Ain't shit changed. 28th Street, Mob 7's not a game. These niggas think I'm playing. This ain't no plaything. Run off in these streets, bitch, and I'm gonna do the damn thing.
Do the damn thing. Yeah, we getting changed. 24/7, bitch, yeah, it's on my brain. With my main, I say my right hand. I cut my left off, yeah, we made a master plan. We got an empire, money all day. You pussies in the way, I spray you bitches with the K. I call it AK, better get this JFK. You niggas in the way, I'll delete you niggas out my way. Yeah, money from the boys, soft X pills. If you want it, come and get it. Yeah, I got it for real. I'm on the road, E-way, yeah, out of town. Muskegon just to see my people, yeah, they want some pounds. Yeah, that bricks is snow. Yeah, I got it home. I try to tell them that the flow is cold just like the snow. Yeah, they blowing snow right off the fucking table. I said I keep them big shades like my name was Fable. CCE is Crucial P, you fucking with his thug. It's 7 Mob and 25th, yeah, we throw it up. Like I'm working on my engine, y'all niggas fake, y'all pretending. It's money in my pocket, bitch, I told you how I be getting it, huh? It's money, stacks money, put the shit back, racks, all my niggas get it. So I suggest you stack back, before you get hit off with that Mac. JP, tell them where you at.
Right here in the trap, posted in the nap. These niggas want that beat, then they can get it. So I'ma cook it, I'ma grill it in the skillet. Start the shit, I'll be the one to finish. You talk a good game, but this shit I be living, nigga. This shit is real life. You better get it right. Just think once, won't get a chance to think twice. Cause I'm shooting niggas off top, sacked up. Getting money in this bitch. We racked up. And we heard them niggas got their stacks talking shit. So fuck that, we sliding down. We need all of it. I know they got them clips, soft and hard. They got them G's, everything. So we coming large. I got my little niggas, call them my young space. I flip the car, them my damn acers. Nap town in this bitch, like the Coast and Pacers. We gon' run this bitch. We want all the acres. The straight Cali Bud, Indiana Texas. We do this shit in disorderly fashion, cause we don't give a fuck. We real disrespectful. That's what these niggas say. So we gon' have to check them, cause they don't know, but they gon' know. Like we rolling dice, bitch, what they hitting for? Be knocking niggas out and we'll do it daily. Tell these bitches, fuck you, pay me, cause I'm getting cashed out, and if I ain't somebody lying. We getting money all day, it's time for somebody to be dying.
187 on the fucking blind. They said my fucking section, yeah, it's always high. Dope with the Glock, they call it trigger lock. Them niggas 3 times selling, yeah, they on my block. 3 times felons with the cops, you hear the fucking sirens. We still grinding, still getting it, now we not lying. Temporary money, nah, that's not us. It's just fishing funds, y'all can't fuck with us. Fucking with the squad, they say they wise guys. I got it on my checks, YBC, we mob guys. Get your niggas checked, just like my fucking Nikes. I scuff, fuck my Spike Leaks, that's part you don't like me. Yeah, I'm side on the court getting balled too. And now you niggas hate because I do just what I do. Money coming loan, I leave you with a dimple like the side of my cheek. Nigga pop you like a pimple. We smoking kush loud pack like my rifle. All my niggas crazy and my bitches be the cypher. They crazy in the range, in the brain. I told the bitch I want her all white. She came back with a black range. Crazy bitch, what you doing, bitch? You insane? I told JP, just give me hundreds, you can keep the chain. Yeah, and that's the money, that's the comments. If you want it, I hit you when we come to make your mama.
Coming to your mama house, kick down your daddy door.
The daddy
Put
door.
your brother and your sister, everybody on the floor.
Get down.
Fuck your kids, nigga.
Fuck.
I'm worried about mine.
Rest.
You trying to take my life?
Fuck.
Bitch, I'm about to shine. Bitch, I'm going helium. I do the damn thing. These niggas think I'm playing.
Nope.
It's when the page change. It's when I flip the script. Cause we cashing out in the large amount. These niggas talking, we gon' wipe it out. They talking strong, we gon' shut it down. Ain't nothing to talk about, cause we really do it. This is real life. This ain't Mars music. Bitch, I'm in the streets, going helium. Bitch, we in the hood, extra large, no medium. We slapping in. Got everybody around the world tapping in. Call it Neptune. Cause I'm spacing out. Jupiter jumping jack niggas in they trap house.
I tap in on these niggas just like a slap game. You niggas want it, yeah, they told me that the trap came. They talked the trap gone. I said the trap long. They said where your money at, look dad. I told my money long. Yeah, I'm talking 38th Street, nigga. You know what I mean?
This thing, man.
Brightwood,
you know what I'm saying? Mob 7, we live. Going digital on this thing, straight freestyle off the top. You know what I mean?
From the Windy City to my city, motherfucker.
On the side. Naptown to the Ville, you know what I'm saying? Cincinnati, Detroit, you know what I mean? Minneapolis to Indianapolis. We in this thing. Lingo, go, go.